Abananchi nigo besokia asemechi abunenchero yomo yokuchengira litukeliga asichiamate naboigo abananchi nabanchi babo bunenchero yomo yokoleta obwamate ase abancho babo abonchero abamauga nigo benekuna litukolia rero nigo lyalingeligia kolenganiwa na matuka kurumaiga ase yabairira konyora faida enene.
To the couples out there, this is a day of love. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's only for the couples and the people who have partners, but you can also gift your family members, friends, gifts and also flowers.
Come and get a bouquet for your loved one. Very nice bouquets. Flowers are not expensive. Honestly, if you get such a bouquet from someone, you'll generally be happy about it. So
expect more customers today. For the bouquets that you have today, the price ranges from 3,000 to 3,500 nani water bouquet. So yes, and I also want to wish my girlfriend a happy Valentine.
I'm Hilda. I come from Mombasa, and I'm grateful for this day, even though I've not received a gift. But today I've received a flower from my fellow, and I'm grateful. Thank you very much.
Mimi kwa manjina ninaitwa Mary Musimi. Na ninasema Valentine iko sawa. Siku iwe mzuri na nipate maua mengine kama ambao mmenipa. Na pia mimi nipeane wale ambao nawapenda.
Place the roses and the chrysanthemums. Yeah. Some people want it as a blend, some people want it as want the type of flower alone. So people are different depending on what you like and what's your taste.
From the study and understanding my partner, flowers form part of our love language.
I decided to surprise my girlfriend. Actually, nasomeaje ni wa kwanza napelekea maua. This is my first time buying flowers and I hope haitakuwa the last.